how to install landscape lighting. Now today, we're at home in the hills above Los Angeles. The challenge here is to add plug-in low-voltage landscape lighting to a pathway that leads to the home's entrance. Now we're going to use a kit that gives you all the components that you'll need. LED lights, virtually all landscape lighting these days is LED, wire, and a plug-in transformer. Now you can also design your own system. Now if you're interested in that, we cover those details in another video. Now this is a simple DIY job that you can easily do. So let's get started. One thing to note, this is a low voltage system. Low voltage lowers the risk of electrical shock, which is a big plus when you have children or pets around. Our kit has 8 lights. We're going to lay out the lights to get a rough idea of placement. Space them about 6 feet apart. That gives you an even illumination for the pathway. Our grounded outdoor outlet plug is located by the house, so that's where the transformer is going to go. And in these locations, we've used the spotlights to highlight larger plantings in the garden. Once you have the lights set, lay out the cable. Now, you want to leave extra cable around the lights so you can reposition them if you want at a later time. Now, use the connectors included with the kit. The lights have what's called a lead wire. Cut the main wire with wire cutters, strip the ends, twist together, and attach the connector to create a watertight seal. You can cover the wire with mulch, hide it behind plantings, or bury it. Now, place the transformer where you want it. A good rule of thumb is that you want it to be at least 12 inches off the ground. Connect the end wire to the transformer, then plug it in. This transformer has a dusk to dawn feature, so your lights will automatically turn on at night. This looks great. Beautiful landscape lighting like this adds curb appeal to any home. Explore all the landscape lighting options at lampsplus.com.